Hello everyone. So in this video you will be understanding about what is GRC, and we are going to see each aspects of GRC. So moving forward, GRC stands for Governance, Risks and Compliance. So in simple terms, GRC ensures that organization information security is aligned with their business goals. Risks are managed properly and regulatory requirements are met. So this is although a basic introduction of GRC. We will be looking more into in depth of each section of GRC. So unlike technical security roles, GRC focus more on decision making, policies, risks analysis and audit. So if you are looking to master your career in GRC, I will be creating a separate playlist for GRC where I will be introducing each of the terms related to GRC. Moving forward, let's understand what is the key difference between governance and compliance. So these are the two terms where people get confused, and now let's understand what is the basic difference between governance and compliance. So governance is all about how security decisions are made and controlled within an organization. Suppose you are working in an organization, what are the controls that are made so that your building or your company is compliant with the security controls, and you are governing that particular thing. So are you can understand this by asking this simple question, that are we doing security the right way? So the right way in which that it needs to be done, are we doing in that way? So it focuses on more on security areas, strategy and objective, policy standards and framework, roles and responsibilities, decision making and aligned to the business goals. Whereas compliance stands ensures that the organization follows rules, law and regulations and standards. So the standards set by the government or the third party bodies are being followed or not, that comes under compliance. So we can ask this simple question, that are we are meeting all the required rules and standards? Example, the passing of ISO 27001, whether your policies or security controls are in line with ISO 27001 or not. Then meeting with GDPR requirement, then ensuring PCI DSS controls for payment cards. So if your company is aligned with having some transaction or having some project which are related to credit card and all, then it should ensure that it is aligned to PCI DSS. So these are the policies or maybe controls or standards to which the company is adhering to or not. That is the basic difference between governance and compliance. So the now moving forward to the risks. So now we need to understand the risks. So what is risk? Risk is any uncertainty or of loss related to confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So CIA is the pillar of cybersecurity: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Any uncertainty which can cause loss or damage to the CIA or legal standing or reputation of an organization is called risk. So risk is basically composed of three factors, that is threat, vulnerability and impact. Threat is that something that can harm or cause hacker malware inside. So that is a threat. Suppose your system is not up to date, patches are not being deployed, then that is a threat. Or maybe, sorry, if the patches are not being deployed, that is a vulnerability. Threat is something that if the patches is not being deployed and hacker can can get into your system, since there is the patches is not being deployed, that is a threat. Hacker is being a threat here. And vulnerability are the patches or the update which are not being done, like weakness that can be exploited by the hacker or misconfiguration that can lead to access loss is the vulnerability. And impact is what is the impact on your organization, that is business loss, damage and downtime. So risk consists of all these three factors. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be making a whole playlist on this GRC. Thank you.